I welcome you back to this class. In this class, we are going to look at another vowel sound, which is long vowel. So it is called A, A, A. So it is long A that we pronounce. Don't forget that we've done the short form of this sound before. So now we want to look at the long form of the sound. Now let's look at it. If we want to pronounce these sounds, we must pay attention to the way we even the shape we give our mouth and lips and tongue too. So that's it. Let's look at the way we have it there. So, in the process of the articulation of vowel sound E, the front part of the tongue is raised, whilst the lips are slightly spread. The sides of the tongue are pressed against the upper teeth with just little space between the middle of the tongue. Middle of the tongue. So, middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth. That's it there. So if you want to articulate this sound correctly, we need to pay attention to what we have here now. So when you pay attention to it, you'll be able to say it correctly. Now let's now look at the graphemes of these sounds. Don't forget that as if we are talking about phoneme, we are talking about sound, we are talking about grapheme, we are talking about letters that represent or letters that represent a particular phoneme or sound. That's it there. Now let's look at it here. So the first one here is with this letter E. When you see these letters E, not we, double E. So this double E also was represent this sound here. So when we say E A, so it's also what represent the sound here. IA represent the sound. EI represent it too. Letter E alone represents it. Letter I is one of the graphemes too. So letter I is one of the graphemes. While letter OA also represents these sounds there. So now let's look at it one by one, how the position they maintain in a word. Now let's look at this.